Hi, myself I'm Sai. I have studied in Aditya Degree College, Rajahmundry, basic computer science. I have joined in Mind2i, which is a wonderful institute where to learn technical skills and communication skills and get a place in job. So here I learned as an intern. I have worked in a project where I have worked. It's a real-time project. So I have gotten a real-time experience where the IT industries will work. And then Mind2i has supported me and recruited me as an employee. And I started getting opportunities in Mind2i. And now I got a job in Cognizant. And so Mind2i is a platform where you can get jobs and technical skills. So come and join Mind2i.